Yes.
So we don't want to have just the thing. The signs have to match too. You might see the y and the 1, but if the sign here in the other bracket is negative and positive, you need to match exactly. Right? So when you just took out the 8, so I'm going to put back what we had before. So when you just said 8, if you just had factored out an 8, and what you do, the constant mistake that you make, we'll just write 8 alone. No sign, just write on 8. There's no plus or minus, you just take out 8, and then here's where you have minus y plus 1. What you need to understand, if you just factor 8 alone, this is positive. There has to be a sign in front of it. So when you look at this, the two brackets don't match. So then I can't move from right here to here. Right? So I'm telling you, whenever you encounter a situation like this, always factor the need to match.
What do you think over there so much already?
we rearrange it so we can find common factors. But you're not used to factoring out signs, you just factor out number and letter alone. But now we get to the level now where you can also factor out a sign, negative or positive, matters. So what we say we need now is not a positive 8, but it has to be a negative 8. So when we factor it out, we get back the same thing. So negative 8 cancel out that negative 8, leave with just y. Negative divided to a positive is negative and 8 to itself 1. So now we can go to the last line because now look at these two terms, we know what our common factor is y minus 1. So now this is finished up by doing y minus 1, and then from this one leave out y, and from this one leave out I understand.
I don't like it.
And now we finish.
You don't like it.
Everybody just want to write. What do you just want to write something? Process. When you write it again, it will come back to you. Just get it. Don't write it. Just get it. I'm not going to erase the board. I'm working right across. So you're going to find that this one is going to be similar to the first one. This one might be similar to that one. So let's go again till we get the hang of it. Right? Eyes on me. So this one, could we group as they are now? If I group the first two terms, is there something in common?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
X. And if I group the second term, the next set, something is common. So I don't need to rearrange. I can just start my grouping right away. Stop right. Get this in. So what's the common factor in the first one?
X.
X. Bracket.
Y plus
Y plus Z.
So
What's the
you
second
can see them so.
Because the 2 and the Z too close.
W.
So common factor is, when you say W, we mean positive W. So positive W. You need to bother with it because remember what we're trying to get, Y plus Z again. So remember positive W is still Y plus Z. And now we're looking good, don't it? So we can move to the final answer now, which is what?
Y.
Y plus Z. And then when I factor from the first one, give me X plus W. Good?
Yes, sir.
Don't need to write it, just make sure you're getting it.
Yeah. Process the information. I kind of mix up in here.
So let's go to this one now.
Yeah,
Ready to move?
yes, sir.
Alright.
Changing us.
Look at this. Do we need to do any rearranging? These two, anything common?
Yes, sir.
Anything common?
No. Yeah, no. Yes, no.
2 and 12, yes. It don't have to be letters, it can be numbers too. You just want this is something common. Plus negative. Can you say that? Somebody say negative.
I just sign everyone.
I say alone 2 and 12. They're about even numbers.
Oh, sir.
When you lock into letters, so don't forget about number, don't it? Lock into letters, huh? So let's group it. We can group.
T.
Don't need to rearrange. Group. So from the first grouping, what we have?
Yeah.
T.
But I don't feel the same number.
So T to T squared is?
T.
Sigma T. T to 6T.
6.
6. T's cancel off. And then?
Negative.
2.
Okay.
Negative 2.
Common factor here is? T. So T into T squared.
Yes, sir. For 2.
This look like T? Correct, let me see.
Sir, no, so.
No, sir. Come on, T, right. The capital T there.
No,
Oh, so now take a left?
Yeah. Sir, stop curving. Your penmanship is very bad.
No, it's ugly. Don't make it past 10 minutes, you know. Right? So T into T squared, leave with that. T. Plus T into 6T.
6.
T, we're dividing. When you factor, we're dividing now. So see here, T squared is the same as what? T times. I'm divided by T, my divided by T. So what happens? This cancels out.
I left 1.
Leave 1. And if I have 6T over T.
Left 6.
Got it? So that's 6. Close that bracket. Come on, factor in here now as well.
You say
Keep in mind, I want to get a T. I want to get a T for the first term. So if I took out the 2 alone, I have negative T. So I need to take out the negative with the 2. So I take out negative 2. That leaves with T. Negative to negative is? 2 into 12 is?
6.
Perfect. Same thing.
learning. No, not learning. I want you to you still right up front there, I was there.
Everybody okay after yes, right?
Yes, sir.
So if we divide out just the 2, I'm going to have negative T. I want it to be positive T. So I have to go to negative with it. So negative 2, leaving with just a T. Negative into negative. Going to be positive. So I'm going to do the sign already. Just a number now. 2 into 12.
6. Getting out, Arjan?
So now we're at the comfortable spot. Can I finish up now, which is going to be?
T
plus 6.
and T
negative 2.
Minus 2. Which part I understand? How I go to the red part? What's the common? Look at these two in brackets like this. So box up this. What's the common factor in these brackets? What is it? The T plus 6. So see it here? When I factor from the first bracket, what is left?
T.
Just the T. When I factor from the second bracket, this should be around the minus 2 side. When I factor from this, what is left?
Negative 2.
When I remove all this, divide it out, those cancel, leave minus 2. Okay? So once we get to having the same in the bracket, don't write on it. Once you get to this point, you're supposed to can get to the last bit. So let's do the last 2. What will the clock?
Sir, when you reach them, you just fit up and start.
Just pause and start again. Can I upload them same?
Come like you're here
Alright. Let's look at these. As they are, is there anything counting those two terms?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
B
yes.
should be more than 1. B squared. I get B squared from this, I get a B squared from here. Good. You look at these two terms, what's common? Anything common? Good. So we can group them as they are. So group. So common factor, we say the first grouping is
B squared.
B squared. So B squared from B cubed will leave how many B's?
1.
Right? And then as a minus, B squared divides itself.
1.
Anything divides itself is always 1. So what are we trying to get in the next bracket?
B
minus 1. So what we need to factor out from this?
2.
Just the 2. Right?
Yes.
If I use negative now, it's going to make the first answer negative. So don't need to do any sign thing. So it's going to be a positive 2.
Bracket
B minus 2 into 2.
1. Copy.
No. We're at a good spot. So what's our common factor now?
B minus 1.
1. And from the first grouping, it's going to be
B squared plus 2.
plus 2. Right. A chorus. Beautiful. Now the last one, then you can write up. Before we do it though, again let's check.
Yes.
Anything, can we just group them as they lay?
Yes, sir.
Good. So as they are, there's a common factor there. And these are a common factor as well. So, let's go. She never stop it, don't it?
Me didn't stop it.
You pass it in.
No.
It's alright. It's alright. You good now?
Serious, I'm pause
Okay.
like 10 minutes.
And then start
And
about-
then you never tell me to start.